Being the largest country, Russia has a wide range of climates. There are places with humid climates such as Moscow and St. Petersburg, but strips of land along the shore of the Arctic Ocean and the Arctic Islands have more polar climates. These different climates include the deciduous forests, the tundra, which is a vast, flat, treeless region which is permanently frozen, the steppe, which is a large area of unforested grassland, the taiga, which is a swampy carnivorous forest found between tundras and steppes, and finally, the Arctic deserts. Most of its 146 million people live in the European part of Russia because of its mild climate, fertile farmland, and the industrial cities. Three tectonic plates that affect Russia are the Eurasian, North American, and Pacific. The North American plate and the Eurasian plate are converging, and some points along the Pacific and American plates converge, while other parts transform. Three microplates called the Okhotsk, the Bering, and the Amurian are also big components of Russia's plate tectonics. These movements contribute to Russia's main natural hazard, earthquakes. Most of the earthquakes take place near the Kuril Islands, where the Pacific plate is being subducted under the Okhotsk plate. Since there are around 8,000 earthquakes yearly, Russia has building codes in place to help reduce the damage done by the earthquakes. The smallest major earthquake ever recorded was a magnitude 5.8, and the largest had a magnitude of 8.4. This video shows how the buildings sway during earthquakes. They are designed this way to absorb the shock waves and withstand the ground's movement during the earthquakes that happened in Russia. Landslides are common in the mining and mountainous regions in Russia. This video shows a landslide near Novokuznetsk, east of the Ural Mountains. It was triggered by the collapse of waste material, overburdened land, and the melted snow due to the spring weather. This is an example of a creep landslide because the unconsolidated material has a very slow flow. Floods occur in Russia due to heavy rainfall that happens during the spring. Cities like Moscow experience flooding due to this kind of rainfall. The rise of sea level, like the Black Sea, threatens to flood many port cities along Russia's coasts. Cities like St. Petersburg experience flooding due to strong winds that are blown east off of the Gulf of Finland. Forest fires are very hazardous to Russia because most of Russia is covered by woods. Russia experiences a period of dry and hot weather, which leads to the increasing probability of forest fires. While these fires can occur naturally, around 70% are caused by a violation of fire safety rules while visiting the forests. Being the largest country, being situated on top of three large tectonic plates, and having a wide range of climates causes a few issues for Russia. Overall, the climate and tectonic positioning of Russia is what causes its natural hazards. While much can be done to reduce the risk of some hazards talked about in this video, many hazards can only have reactional responses because of their unpredictability and size.